Unlike in the past, health authorities are not only more capable, but also better prepared in terms of funding to deal with new variant of COVID-19. This was the assurance from DOH officials to lower house salons during a hearing earlier today. Melalas Moras has the full details.
Amid the threats of new COVID-19 variants dubbed as FLIRT, the Department of Health has assured the public the government is prepared to address its possible effects. During today's hearing conducted by the House Committee on Appropriations, the DOH asserted it has available funds for situations like this, contrary to a report published by a media company. If necessary, they can also purchase new vaccines.
We have so many funds at DOH, even from the CONAP in 2023 and the current. If there's a need to provide something for the emerging COVID variant, we can always make some modifications within our budget.
Mali po yung headline na walang pera para sa bakuna dahil to begin with, hindi pa naman natin alam kung ano yung mga KP2, KP3 variants. Nakamonitor rin po tayo sa ating bed occupancy.
Right now, the Bureau of Quarantine is also on heightened alert. According to House Appropriations Vice Chair Janet Garin, who was also a former DOH secretary, the government's tightening of border control is good, but it would be even better with ramped-up vaccination efforts.
It's not a situation where we should panic, but it's a situation where we should be prepared. The preparation should go back to either vaccination if an updated version is available, but more importantly is pneumonia, flu vaccines, and the medicines for whoever will need it.
The DOH assured it is listening to the concerns and suggestions of lawmakers, while also ensuring to continue their strict monitoring against COVID-19. The agency also allayed the concerns of some and assured the COVID-19 situation from 2020 to 2022 will not happen again.
Ayon po sa pinakahuling datos natin, as of May 18, handang-handa po ang ating mga ospital. Ang basehan po nito ay ang mga dedicated COVID-19 ICU beds. Ang occupancy rate po ay 12% lamang, 12%. In real numbers, 141 out of 1,155 ICU beds for COVID-19 nationwide. Mababa po yung occupancy.
Besides COVID-19, the hearing also tackled the budget utilization of the DOH and PhilHealth. The lawmakers reminded they are monitoring how each agency is using their funds and whether this result to the benefit and well-being of our countrymen. Melalas Moras from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.